Question 5. Which of these combinations is common to both plant and animal cells? A. Central, middle lamella, Golgi bodies, mitochondria. B. Cytoplasm, sap vacuole, starch grains, leucoplast. C. Plasma membranes, chromosomes, mitochondria, and lysosomes. D. Nucleus, nucleolus, cellulose cell wall, endoplasmic reticulum. E. Cytoplasm, centriole, cellulose cell wall, nucleolus. Question is gotten from the year 1982, question 2. So let's give that a try. Let's see what the answer says. The correct answer is A. The correct answer is A because that is the only combination found in both plant and animal cells. It is found in both plants and animal cells. Question 6. Where is energy produced in a cell? A. Nucleus, B. Nucleolus, C. Lysosomes, D. Chloroplast, E. Mitochondria. The question is gotten from question 41 in the year 1982. Let's give that a try, Budwe. Now let's see what the answer says. The correct answer is E. Mitochondria. The correct answer is E. Mitochondria because mitochondria is the part of the cell that is responsible for respiration, and respiration produces energy.